me.
Name, nilai, Eptanas Murni.
That's not his name. I'm calling him my darling. That's why, like, I call him.
You darling.
Yeah. He's
Name.
like, I can describe him to you because I'm not calling him much, so I forgot his name.
Oh.
But we just met in Bali, you know. So like, he's like really short.
You.
Yang dapat hasilnya dia gimana? Ih, lu mau malu-maluin gue paman pakai ada bule, gue gak bisa bahasa Inggris.
Somebody here needs to help me, really. I came from so far to look for him.
Oh, lu nyari laki lu?
Yeah, I'm looking for my boyfriend. You know,
Coba lu miss call laki lu.
I don't remember, like, I just know this, like, Dagalan residence. And
Maybe they can help me. Bu, itu teman saya, pacar saya. Pacar saya, kamu nyari siapa?
So, I don't understand what you're saying, but
Gue juga gak ngerti. Katanya gue gak ngerti bahasa lu, gue juga gak ngerti.
listen, don't be angry.
Lu mah nelen salju, gue nelen debu di sini. Beda, gue gak ngerti.
Please don't be angry. You need to help me.
Iya, gue...
Maybe you have a friend that can help me.
Kayak bagaimana? Lu punya ciri-cirinya gak? Laki lu kayak bagaimana?
So listen, he's like really handsome.
Oh, handsome tuh kalau gak salah ganteng ya?
Yeah, like handsome, like he's very good looking, like my sweet.
Oh, pacar lu.
His skin is like a little bit dark, like that, like very exotic.
Oh, ya ampun.
Mau ngejajah lagi?
Hey, how are you? Hi. So I'm here looking for my boyfriend. Can you please help?
Apa lu mau bilang dia ngajakin lagi?
I'm here with my luggage. I'm really far. You need to help me, please. She doesn't understand me.
Waiting room.
Hah? Hey! Gue juga gak bodoh-bodoh amat. Waiting room.
So,
Maksudnya suruh tunggu bentar.
Iya,
sir, excuse me.
aja wait.
I'm looking for my boyfriend. Like, I lost the paper, I lost the phone number, and the address. I just remember Dagalan residence. Please.
Untung ada lu. Untung bawa kamus lu. Coba tadi dia ngomong apa tuh? Lu jawab dulu.
Phil Collins kalau nggak salah.
Bill Collins.
Soalnya dia menyebut kata looking for.
Looking for.
Looking for my heart.
Sir, it's not a song, it's my boyfriend. He's like, you know, maybe I can describe him. He's very...
Cripe. Buat tanda.
You know,
Buat sebentar. Gue kira mau gantungan buat apa? Buat tanda. Ada lidi. Orang kan biasa pakai lidi. Pakai gantungan.
listen, maybe I can help you to look. I can help you to find the words. You want?
Oke.
Okay, give me the book.
Room for you and me.
Bukan.
Nih gua kasih tahu. Dia ngajakin.
Dengerin dulu nih.
Listen, I'm looking for my boyfriend's house. I just remembered Dagalan residence. So maybe I can describe him to you. He's like short. He's a short guy, very cute, very handsome.
Masa di sini nggak ada yang handsome. One man handsome. Yeah, me.
No, remember, you're not my boyfriend. You need to help me find my boyfriend, please.
You-
I'm coming from so far.
You know your boyfriend name?
He's my darling. That's what I call him.
My name 45.
Nice to meet you. How are you? But you really, I put all my hope in you. Please, you need to help me.
Name Nilai Eptanas Murni.
That's not his name. I'm calling him my darling. That's why, like, I call him.
You darling.
Yeah, he's
Woo name.
like, I can describe him to you because I'm not calling him much, so I forgot his name.
Oh.
But we just met in Bali, you know. So like, he's like really short.
Yuk,
Apa yang dapat hasilnya dia gimana?
dia minta ini.
Kacang Bali.
Balik.
No, like we met.
problem.
Like, sir, I'm not hungry. I'm not hungry.
Dia nggak lapar kan?
I'm not hungry.
Buat naruh baju.
Feeling for hacker.
Listen.
Itu hungry nih.
My head round. I am medicine.
Are you feeling better now?
Ya.
But do you speak any English?
Pikiran lu udah lebih baik. Feeling better.
Enggak, tadi itu minum apa?
Vitamin P.
Vitamin P.
Pusing.
Orang kacang.
Where your problem? You boyfriend?
Yes, my boyfriend. And I told you, listen, I think you should remember.
Nggak tinggi.
Nggak tinggi.
Tapi iya kagak tinggi bahasa sininya mah. Itu paling juga
Siapa? Lu kenal lakinya?
yang mukanya kayak pastel bisa dibongkar-bongkar.
Mukanya bisa dibongkar-bongkar.
Naroji,
Naroji.
That's his name.
gue ngajakin dia.
Ngajakin apa sih? Ngajakin.
Oke, no problem.
Bagus ya, punya pacar gue bangga sebagai orang tua.
Tapi kesannya nggak percaya kalau anak itu punya pacar.
Ya maksud gue mendingan ada tingkatannya namanya.
Emang
Bagus.
emang muka kayak siapa nggak pantas punya pacar?
Muka kayak lu, pantas banget. Yang gue bingung siapa yang demen. Apa?
Masalahnya dia orang bule.
Hah? Orang bule.
Orang bule?
Iya.
Orang bule mau melo.
Astagfirullahaladzim, ini orang. Ini sayang bapak nih, kalau nggak kita berantem nih.
Wah, heran. Orang bule kagak ada yang pendek lu, tinggi-tinggi lu. Lu kawin sama orang bule lu mulainnya bagaimana ntar?
Tapi babe harus belajar bahasa Inggris dulu.
Oh iya ntar, gue sih bahasa Inggris masa gue nggak bisa, cuman sekedar smoke in the water.
Itu.
Ngerokok di atas air.
Produser mana produser? Produser mana? Produsernya acara ini nih. Sering-sering cerita kayak gini gue nggak dibayar.
Bukan main. Jamur ninjo. Anak, lu bagaimana? Anak gue yang pelukan, bini gue loyok-loyok. Mau ngasih tahu, kayak orang mau negrep lo.
Masih tahu. Tadi nyariin saya.
Iya, terus?
Ya saya anterin ke sini.
Oh, makasih banyak.
Kata itu bini mudanya Pak Ropi.
Bohong, jangan dengerin dia aja tukang nyasar. Wah, bini